Are you tired of the constant pressure and insanity of survival? Of the endless drive to get what you want? Have you ever wanted to step off the treadmill of your own agenda? If these questions are burning inside you, I invite you to join me for a 3-day online retreat to explore what it means to truly awaken to the present moment. This isn't about chasing experiences or mastering techniques. It's about coming home to yourself right where you are. And actually from the comfort of your own home, so that you can infuse the energy of retreat into your life the way it is. This approach is a gentle but highly engaged process of attuning to what is alive within you. Over the course of this online journey, you'll have the opportunity to discover a freedom that includes all parts of you. You'll have time to reconnect with your own inner guidance system, supported by a community of like-minded seekers who are all discovering what it means to really stop here and now and be open and available to what is, free of the identity of you. This retreat is open to everyone, whether you consider yourself a seasoned practitioner or are just beginning. We are all beginners on this journey. Retreat is actually the opportunity to begin again each moment, so you can truly experience what it means to be alive and inspired.